What's the one thing that can make you feel so cool? Hey, you stop, don't be a fool. But they do not understand what these things can do to a man. Oh no. So get high on life. Say no to drugs. Get high on life. Say no to drugs. There's a lot more we can do, much more fun things just for me and you. Like join you or go to the field and play happy you. Get yourself involved with sports, or you can do a little bit more. Go travel the world to explore what life is for. But we must understand what these drugs can do to a man. I suggest that you get high on life. Say no to drugs. Get high on life. Say no to drugs.
Wake up to be the nuts and cigarettes instead. Eyes to the life that's just ahead. What I'm saying is change your own lifestyle. Some morals like how we're destroying our orals with a black adoro. Why don't we change? You know, instead of smoke, we walk. Instead of doing to this song and sing along. Get together, join hands.